Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set Gemini as your default AI assistant in Samsung Galaxy phone. The first of all, we need to open up the setting on Samsung phone and scroll down, tap on apps. On the apps, we can tap on choose default apps at the top, and here tap on digital assistant apps and tap again digital assistant apps, and you can see here my default digital assistant apps is Bixby. And now we need to choose Google, tap on Google and tap OK to save. So now we need to open the Gemini application and tap on the top right corner, scroll down a little bit and tap switch to Google Assistant. And now in here, you need to make sure you choose Gemini, not Google Assistant. Okay, after this, we need to check another thing. Tap again in the top right corner and go to the setting and tap on Gemini hands-free. So it's a very important thing. So when you want to use this assistant, you just need to say, "Hey Google," and this assistant will active and will help you with something you want. So make sure you need to turn on this feature. So tap switch in the right to active. So in here you need to little bit set up this feature. Tap turn on in the bottom right corner and tap done. And now this feature is already active. So I hope this video is useful and see you in another video.